Learn action words with Hayley.
Wow!
Drink. Drink. I drink water. Give. Give. She will give a gift. Pour. Pour. She pours the juice into a glass. Paint. Paint. He will paint the wall. Play. Play. The children play in the park. Lift. Lift. I can lift the box. Kick. Kick. He kicked the ball. Pack. Pack. I need to pack my bag. Lock. Lock. Please lock the door. Dance. Dance. They love to dance. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it.
Goodbye!